IB maths is easy.
Question 8. Write down the equation of vertical asymptote. The domain is x not equal to -4. So the vertical asymptote will be x equal 4. We make the denominator equal 0. Now the equation of horizontal asymptote, in this case, it will be the leading coefficient of the numerator divided by the leading coefficient of the denominator. So it will be 4 divided by 1, which is 4. B. Find the inverse of f. So we will switch x and y. We will have x equal with 4y plus 1 divided by y plus 4. And then we need to make y the subject of the equation. So xy plus 4x equal with 4y plus 1. So y will be 1 minus 4x divided by x minus 4. This will be the equation of the inverse of f. Okay, now they ask us to use another method. Show that the graph of the inverse of time reflection across y followed by the reflection across x. So it will be, this is the reflection across y, and this will be the reflection across x. Okay, just put it in the function f. So it will be negative of 4 negative x plus 1 divided by negative x plus 4. And I will apply this negative to the denominator. So it will be 1 minus 4x over x minus 4. Exactly like this one. Okay, C. Find P and Q, which are the intersections of function f and inverse. So we will have 1 minus 4x over x minus 4 equal with 4x plus 1 divided by x plus 4. So cross multiply and simplify. We will have x plus 4 minus 4x squared minus 16x will equal with 4x squared plus x minus 16x minus 4. Okay, we can simplify. Move this x squared to the right side and move this negative 4 to the left side. Finally, we have 8x squared equal 8. So x will be negative 1 or x will be 1. So this is P and this is Q because P is smaller than Q. Okay, now we need to find the area enclosed by f and inverse of f. So it will be the integration from P to Q. That means from negative 1 to 1 of the absolute value of function minus the inverse. We know the function of f and we know the function of inverse. So just put everything into the calculator and our answer will be 0.675. Don't forget the absolute value. Okay, question 9. A normal distribution given the mean width 62 and the standard deviation of 2.9. A. Find the probability that's less than 61. So that means it will be the CDF of smaller than 61. We use GDC, so it will be 0.365. Okay, B. Now we random selection of 12, so it will be binomial. Find the probability exactly 5. So it will be binomial PDF because exactly 5. So number of trial is 12. The probability of one success is 0.365 and we need 5, so it will be 0.214. Okay, now the banana muffin with the mean is 68 and the standard deviation is 3.4. 60% will be chocolate, so that means 40% will be banana. Okay, find the probability selected that less than 61. So first we need to find the probability less than 61 of banana muffins. So it will be CDF smaller than 61 with the mean 68 and the standard deviation is 3.4. So we will have 0.0198. So the total probability that less than 61 will be 0.6 multiplied with 0.365 plus 0.4 multiplied with 0.0198. So it will be 0.227, round to 3 significant figure. Next one. Given that less than 61, find the probability that will be chocolate. So it will be A given B. So it will be the probability of chocolate given smaller than 61. So it will be the probability of chocolate and smaller than 61 divided by the probability that's smaller than 61. So chocolate and 61 will be 0.6 multiplied with 0.365. And then probability that's smaller than 61 will be 0.227. Our answer will be 0.965. Okay. Now, last question. They change the standard deviation of the chocolate muffin and keep the banana muffin. The new probability of less than 61 is 0.15. So now we have the probability that chocolate and smaller than 61 will equal with 0.157 minus 0.4 multiplied with 0.01898, which is the probability that from the banana muffin which are less than 61. So now it is 0.14908. Okay, and we will use this area, this probability, to do inverse norm to find the z-score. And it will be left tail because it's less than 61. So the z-score will be negative 1.04039, will equal with the x value, which is 61, minus the mean is 62, and divided by the new standard deviation. Okay, from that, we get the standard deviation will be 0.961, correct to 3 significant figure. And we are done.